This short little video is going to demonstrate two free items, Web 2.0 sites, you can use as you enhance your content. First, we are being recorded in Screen-O-Mac or Screencast, and I'm going to show you Jing. Jing is a tool by TechSmith. It's this yellow globe that is at the top of the screen. It is also a free download, and to use it, you click on this circle with the bullseye. You click on it. It creates a bullseye for you. I am going to take a picture of the navigation panel, and you would take a picture of whatever was on your screen that you could use to support your learning objectives and your content. I'm going to use the navigation panel for the Blackboard for instructional continuity, and I'm going to click here on Capture the Image. You have Capture the Image, you can capture video, and you can always hit the X at the very end to cancel and do it again. Some of the tools that you can use are out here on this side small panel. You can have an arrow, text, a frame. You can highlight things. You can also change color. I'm going to go for red right now. I am going to show you the arrow and do a quick arrow like this, pointing to start here. This is where, most likely for your course, you will have your syllabus and information about your course for your students. I am going to do a text box. I'm going to keep it framed in red because it goes with this arrow, and I'm going to put 1 in it. The reason I'm doing that is because when I create job aids, because I use Jing a lot when I'm creating job aids, oftentimes the pictures are small. I number them so that when I put the pictures on the Word document, I then create another box next to it that describes what number 1 is. Another thing you can do is a frame, and I'm going to change the color of the frame to yellow. Let's go for yellow. And I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put a yellow. Oh, it went back to red. Darn. Let's see if I can change it. Go yellow. There it is. And I'm framing what number 1 goes with. And what's nice is the editing stays with you for each of the items so that you can move them around where you want those elements. The other thing you can do is highlight. And we're going to highlight, and I'm going to choose yellow again. And let's highlight announcements, because announcements are something you're probably going to use to let your students know what's coming up. And that is how you work with the editing feature. Now at the bottom is the name. So this is the navigation panel for training. Go to the Save item, click it, and I'm where I want to be, QCC's CAE training folder. I'm going to save it. It saves it as a picture. And that is how you use Jing and Screen-O-Matic.